How to copy content from ChatGPT to Word or Google Docs. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for chatgpt.com. Enter login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on the official page of ChatGPT. Now enter the prompt that you want to ask to the ChatGPT. Let me enter something like provide a workout routine for beginners. Once you have entered, tap on send. Now wait for a while for it to generate the response. You need to wait until you get all of the information. Once you have received all of the response, now what you want to do is you need to copy this information. In order to do so, drag your information from the very top until the information that you need. After that, you can copy it. Or else, you can simply tap on this icon and then copy the information. Once you have copied the information, now what you're going to do is head over to your Microsoft Word or Google Docs and then paste it here. Tap on paste, click on allow, and there you go. The information has been pasted on your Word. Likewise, you can copy and paste any of the information from ChatGPT to Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.